Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, April 12th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things you'll read about in the Family Weekly. Kinder completion ceremony is going to be May 25th from 6 to 7 p.m. here at the school, outside. Now, that means that all of our virtual Kinder scholars and all of our in-person scholars are able to come to the ceremony. We are offering a package with a cap, a gown, a tassel, and a sash for $30 if you're interested. If not, we have some loaner cap and gowns that we will loan out to you. They have been previously worn but washed and dry cleaned. So please let Miss Jessica Garcia know if you are interested in that. Remember, our pre-K, Kinder, first, third, and fifth grade scholars that are new to IDEA have to have vision and hearing screenings by the end of the school year. So please reach out to Miss Jenna, our health aide, to get that taken care of. Also, we have 36 Royal Readers right now. 36 Royal Readers. Oh, we have 41, but we have a couple scholars that have dropped their accuracy. So make sure that you keep your accuracy at 85% or higher, or even though you have 1,000,000 words, you don't get to attend the Millionaire celebrations. All right, scholars, this can be a great day. We'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!